have you taken them by force and slept with them?
Maybe 21, 24.
After all these 24 of them that you have mentioned, did you use protection?
No, I didn't use protection.
Do you think you have infected them with HIV?
I know I'm HIV, so I want to spread that HIV.
Do you feel good within yourself that you are spreading it to other people?
I feel good because I can't die alone.
Because your time of deliverance and salvation. Right? He will visit that iniquity on Edom.
看他妈妈这么白，你看他小孩怎么那么黑啊？嘿，跟你说话嘞，你小孩怎么那么黑啊？
生孩子，我看你孩子，
我儿子，我姑娘，
孩子长得有点黑呀。
今天我们看到的社会报道，在中国，越来越多的艾滋病爆发，在全世界艾滋病都是减少，但中国为什么爆发了大量的艾滋病？尤其是在学校，恰恰是因为我们无偿的给钱的引进了这么多非洲地区的少数民族大学生，他们在不断的把艾滋病带到中国。